future begins. Precision flow.
Confirmed on the tablet. Locking sequence initiated.
Shape force. Frame rise. Body formed.
Good. Let's confirm that on the manifest and head to aisle 9.
Color base.
The factory operates as a fully integrated system, ensuring safe, efficient, and continuous EV manufacturing.
Color defined. Core install.
User interface and onboard systems function seamlessly.
Power installed.
Is precise. Confirmed. All parameters are within spec.
Interior rise.
The surface degradation on Unit 7 is still outside tolerance. Adjusting the laser intensity now, let's see if that stabilizes the reading.
Final build. Motion ready.
This routing matches the diagram perfectly. Good. Log that and monitor the next sequence.
First light. Seal verified.
Resume operations.
Identity set. Final check.
Acknowledged. Everything is running smooth.
Motion tested.
Look at the throughput data here.
It's exceeding targets. The calibration was successful.
System alive.
The oscillation dampeners are performing within the optimal threshold at this speed. Check the thermal readings on Sector 4, just to be safe. The front left camber is still fluctuating outside the acceptable range. The system is compensating, but let's verify the sensor calibration.
Fleet ready.
0.2 liters per minute.
System balance confirmed.
This one is clear for dispatch. Confirmed. Move it to Bay 3.
Journey starts.
Clear on top, bring it back 2 inches. And stop, all secure.
Diagnostics are clear on the suspension.
Torque is good, moving on.
Cycle renewed.
It seems slightly low. Confirmed. Adjusting the flow now.
The voltage metrics on Unit 7 are fluctuating outside tolerance.
Reroute the diagnostic sequence and rescan the power core.
Pure machine.
Rated correctly for this model. Already double-checked, sir. Perfect finish.
Quality locked.
Check the reflection here on the curve. Confirmed. Surface is flawless.
Digital soul.
Confirmed. Logging the data now.